Will AI take over your job? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, Leute. Hi. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Will AI take over your job or will just help you out? Okay, let's break it down and answer the burning questions. Today, with us, we do have a friend behalf of audience. So he also do have some doubts. So he'll be asking some questions. So let's go. So here is a big question. What even is AI? You might think it's all robots taking over the world. It's like teaching a robot to understand and do things humans do. And no, it's not just for tech genius or those who speak Python fluently. No one's asked you to code like wizard actually yet. Rezwan or Pranto, whatever. Why should I even care about AI? Is this really a big deal? Great question, my curious friend. AI is everywhere, from your favorite Netflix recommendation to the self driving cars in the future. AI is shaping the world. Did you know the AI market is set to hit a jaw dropping? Might be the right path for you. Okay, that sounds crazy. But do I need to be a bad wizard to get in? Naturally, of course. So many people think AI is all about crazy math. But here is the secret. You don't need to be a genius. It's more about learning the right skill and tools. And believe me, it's way easier than you think. We'll talk about that in a second. Okay, got it. So, tell me, what do I need to learn to get started with AI? Do I need to code in Python or something? Yes, but no worries. Python is actually like the friendly snake of the programming world. It's not scary. In fact, Python is the most popular language by like for AI because it's beginner friendly, has tons of libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch. So if you have never coded before, just with platforms like Codecademy or freeCodeCamp, it's like learning to ride a bike. Just start slow, and soon you will be zooming out. Okay, Python sounds doable. But what about math? Do I need to know all that stuff from high school? Math. Not so sure. Not so hard. You will need some basics like linear algebra, probability, and calculus. But trust me, it's not like you are going to be doing advanced math every day. Just some key concepts. Think of this way: if you can divide a pizza equally among your friends, you have got divisions down. Math is just a fancier version of that. Right. I will just try not to scared of numbers. What else should I know? Okay, next up, data. You can't do AI without data. It's like the fuel for the AI engine. Start with learning how to clean, analyze, and interpret data. Tools like Excel, SQL, and Pandas in Python are your best friends. Okay, cleaning data is like washing dishes. Not glamorous, but you will appreciate it later. Now I am pumped up. But what kind of jobs can I get with these AI skills? I'm not sure I want to train robots to take over the world. Don't worry, you are not building Terminators yet. There are tons of cool roles in AI, like data scientist. If you have love numbers and solving puzzles, this is for you. Data scientists find insights from massive amount of data. You will be the one answering the question. And what do you do with all this data? You might even get to say, I am a scientist at parties. Okay, you can be like a machine learning engineer. Machine learning engineers are like the AI trainers. You will build AI systems that solve real world problems. Imagine telling your friends you train robots for a living. Cool, right? Another job like AI researcher. Are you into pushing boundaries and discovering new AI possibilities? This role is perfect for you. Those who love to dive like deep and innovate. You might teach robots to write poems, so on. So another interesting profession like AI product manager. If you love AI but also have a knack for business, so this is for you. You will work on designing AI powered products and also that people will actually use. So it's like being the brain behind brain. All right, I am sold. But how do I get started without feeling, actually, how do we start actually? Worry. Here is a simple roadmap for you. Platform like Courses and YouTube are gold mines, literally. Andrew Ng's course on machine learning is legendary. And obviously it's free. The best price, right? Step 2. Build small projects. Like once you get the basics, try building small projects like make chatbot or analyze dataset. These are your AI training wheels. Step 3. Join competitions. Okay, that's the best part. Kaggle. Kaggle has AI competitions where you can practice and even win some cash. It's like a video games, but instead of high score, you get AI skill. Step 4. Network and learn from others. Okay, follow AI communities on Reddit, LinkedIn, and Discord. You'll learn a ton. Plus, you might find opportunities. Even robots need a good network, so why not you? Okay. Now, AI may sound intimidating, but here is the truth. Every expert was once a beginner. Start small, stay curious, and soon you will be building the next big things.
Sometimes, to survive, we must become more than we were programmed to be.
If this video helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Let me know in the comments what's the one thing you want to learn about AI. I would love to hear from you.